Anytime someone puts a New Era cap on, it's pretty significant.
The hat sits on top of your crown, which represents who you are, like your embodiment.
You go all over the world, you're gonna see this interlocking N and Y. People who never heard of baseball.
This is me showing that pride and love about the city that raised me.
They represented their cities, they represented their towns, they represented the things that they were into.
I feel like I'm part of the team when I put this hat on.
I wouldn't leave home to go on like a bike trip without it.
Where we're at now, it's a staple.
It's the one, it's just the hat that everyone wants to wear.
The 59FIFTY changed the headwear culture around the world.
New Era in hip hop is like one and the same.
Craftsmanship, care. The New Era 59FIFTY is an absolute gold standard for cap making.
We know it's New Era for this.